Hey, what's going on, guys? The manufacturer sent me this really cool faucet for free so I could install it and try it out and let you know what I think about it. So, really quick here, I'm just showing you around what it looks like. I'll show you under the sink so you can see how everything hooked up as best as I can. And then I'll actually turn on the faucet for you and let you see the flow. It's really cool. All right, so here we go. Getting down under my sink. You can see this is one of the pipes that it came with here. So I replaced that for the strainer. And then that's the hot water line that came with it, and the other side is the cold water line. And then these tubes here are just really simple, quick connects that go from the main faucet over to the hot and cold lines. So that was pretty simple to hook up itself. Now, just let me go ahead and show you some of the really cool features about this thing. The first thing that I saw that I really like is when you touch this and get like marks on it, like it doesn't keep fingerprints, like they wipe really off. So it seems they wipe off really easy, excuse me, and it seems just really easy to keep clean. So then the other thing, let me show you. When I turn on the cold water, you can see it has a blue light that comes on. So that's no battery required. It's just kind of controlled by the water flow itself. When I turn on the red, you see it starts blue. As it heats up, you'll see it turn green. And then when it gets hot, it turns red. So it's a really cool indicator light, and I love that about this faucet. Just go back and forth so you can see again. It started out red because there was, some leftover hot coming out of here. And then it switched over to blue as it got cold. So I really love that feature about the faucet. Then you can see it has your hot and your cold marks on the side there. So I mean, this faucet, it's really, really cool, and I really do love it. It looks really nice in my bathroom. So if you're looking for something really good quality at a really decent price, I think this is definitely a good way to go.